Hello dear friends, this is Brpaper YouTube channel. Today's Cue Card topic is describe a program or app in your computer or phone. What the app/program is, when, where you found it, how you use it, Well, in this technology-driven era, there is a gigantic array of computer programs and applications to choose from. I also downloaded many applications on my smartphone, as nowadays using different kinds of applications for getting things done has become a common thing. Here, I will talk about an application that I installed on my phone from the App Store 8 months ago. Its name is Urban Company. It's an online home services aggregator offering various household services to customers. Its website and mobile apps are primarily used by customers who require home services in its operational geography. Formerly known as Urban Club, Urban Company was launched in November 2014. It is the largest home services application in Asia with presence in the UAE, Singapore and Australia. The application helps customers book beauty services, massage therapy, cleaning, plumbing, carpentry, appliance repair, painting, and many more. I booked a customized package of various beauty services that I chose myself thrice so far through this application. We can choose the time slot according to our convenience to book any service. Once their service person arrives, we get a job initiation code on our phones, which we have to reveal to their service person or beautician, upon which only they can begin with the work. They have to assure the authorities that they are wearing masks, gloves, and carrying sanitizer by making a short video call to them. After they finish the work, we have to click on the job done icon, after which only they can accept online or cash payment. They immediately ask for feedback or complaint if any. They always clean up the area they use before leaving. I came to know about this application while I was watching some entertainment videos on YouTube posted by SIT, Silly Ideas Trending. They advertised and promoted Urban Company in one of their episodes. I found the information quite useful and immediately downloaded the application. Since then, I do not anymore have to visit any salons for availing beauty services, and once I also booked air conditioner service as well as bathrooms deep cleaning through this application while sitting at home. I would recommend all to use this application as it indeed is quite useful. If you like the video, then subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Don't forget to press the like button and press the bell icon so you can get the latest notifications regarding our new videos on YouTube. Thank you for being here.